Welcome back. This is James with Accurate Crime Reporter. Today's video is coming to us from Butte County, Chico, California. It was released just this last Friday on the 26th by the Butte County District Attorney's Office. It's in regards to an incident that happened back on August 15th, 2017. In the video, you're going to see a gentleman by the name of William Michael Rowley II. The police were called to his location by his own father because of a fight. It led into what you're about to see, and then we're going to come back and talk about it a little bit more.
The reason I called is because he started hitting me and he wouldn't stop.
Come on out. Have a seat.
Fuck you, dude.
Have a seat. Hey, come here.
No, I'm fucking talking to you. Me and you ain't got nothing together.
We do have something.
You can leave me the fuck alone.
Come here. Come on out. Chico 35's son walked back into his room.
You goddamn right. You goddamn right, motherfucker. Don't you fucking bring that near me.
Put that down.
Don't you fucking bring that near me. Put
Chico
it away.
35, he's got some type of knife.
Put it away.
Drop it. Drop it. Get back. Get back right now.
Put it down.
He comes at me with that knife, I'm going to shoot him.
Put it down. Let me go. I'll go.
You go over there. You go. No, you go over there.
Please don't shoot him.
Go over there.
Don't shoot my son.
Chico 35,
Please don't
I need
shoot
code
him.
3 covered.
Michael, you
Get
put
over
that
there.
damn knife
Get
down.
over there. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Go over there.
Don't shoot him.
Go
Please,
over there.
For the love of God. Don't
Go
shoot
over
him.
there. He comes at me with that
Don't
knife.
shoot
I'm going to
my
shoot him.
Don't
I don't
shoot
care.
him.
Get down on the ground.
Please.
Get down on the ground.
You're gonna
Please
shoot
don't
me?
shoot me.
Get down on the ground. I got him proned out in the doorway. No knife.
Asshole.
Do not move.
Can you please take the
Do not move.
Can you please take the gun off me?
Do not move.
Can you please take the gun
No.
off me?
Do not move.
You're gonna
Listen to me right now.
I am.
On your stomach, I want you to crawl out of the doorway. Start crawling right now.
I'm really scared with that gun at me, man.
Then you shouldn't have pulled the knife out. Start crawling right now.
Crawl towards us and you won't get
Let's
hurt, bud.
go.
Seriously?
Crawl
Seriously.
towards us.
You guys are scaring of me.
Crawl towards us, bud.
You guys are scaring the fuck out of me.
Okay.
Let's
Well,
go.
listen
Crawl
to what you're
towards
being
me right
told.
now.
I don't care. Those guns scare
Crawl
me.
toward. These guns go away as soon as you start crawling towards me.
I wasn't even near you. You pulled your gun out on
Okay.
me.
He's right here. He's proned out. Crawl towards us.
Crawl.
bud.
Just crawl out here. The guns go away.
I'm right here.
Crawl out here. The guns go away. Crawl out here. The guns go away.
Crawl.
Do it now. Do it now. Keep coming out. Keep coming out in the room.
It's way
Keep
back
coming out.
there. You guys are stupid.
Keep coming out.
You guys are freaking
Keep coming out.
stupid. You guys are fucking
Keep coming out.
stupid.
Keep coming out.
You go here.
Keep coming out.
Right here.
You guys are fucking stupid.
Keep coming.
Keep pointing your guns at me, man. Come on.
Stop right there.
Are you just gonna murder me? You gonna murder me? Like everybody fucking else? You gonna murder me?
Trying to detain one now.
you.
My hand is behind
Your
me.
other one.
Handcuff them. Don't hold them behind my arm, dumbass.
Oops, sorry.
Jesus Christ. You guys are idiots. 3 cops with guns. You gotta bring a fucking shotgun out too?
Yep.
Oh, you're gonna press your knee in my fucking
We're
head?
just making sure
You gonna press your knee into my head?
Relax,
Get your
bud.
knee off my head!
It's off.
Ah!
Holy
Fuck
moly.
you!
Wow.
You ain't got no right to assault me, police officer! Fuck you! You wanna put your knee into my fucking head? They saw it!
It's on video. Just relax.
Yeah, you got your rights on
Stop.
video!
Yeah.
Stop, okay?
Fuck you! You had a fucking
Stop.
shotgun!
Stop.
Fuck you,
Okay.
bitch! You wanna point a shotgun at people? Fuck you!
Yeah, that's
Get on your stomach.
No, I have every right to point a gun at you guys too!
Okay.
I would suggest you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, put your fucking knee on me. Keep assaulting me. Stop.
Just relax.
That fucking hurts!
Well, of course it hurts. 'Cause
Ow!
Are you ready to listen?
Stop!
Are you ready to listen?
No, you're hurting me! You're hurting me on purpose! You fucking assholes are hurting me on purpose! Stop it! You guys are hurting me! Fuck you!
Put him on the car. Put him on the car.
Stop resisting.
Knock it off. Stop resisting.
Hey! Did you guys hear? These guys gonna fight my shoulder!
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop!
Stop resisting.
You hurt your dad also. Open the door.
You're gonna get in the car nice and easy.
Guys, you guys like to forcefully hurt people.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
You like to forcefully hurt people. Well, break my fucking
Look
arm.
that way.
I remember your face.
Good.
Helltown.
Sorry.
Helltown. 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 Stop choking me, officer.
Sit back.
I'm sitting. Don't fucking force me.
Sit back.
You are not in charge here.
I can stand my own free will. I can stand my own free will.
Knock it off. Do you understand?
Chico 35, we're code 4-1 detained.
Stop.
Okay? We're not going to tolerate this.
You're signing a citizen's arrest for battery, correct? Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
I need a CA form. Gotcha.
We're going to go right over here in the grass and you're going to lay down.
You just fucking choked me out, you asshole. Stop pulling my hair. I'm not doing anything.
Lay down.
Lay down.
I'm not doing anything.
You guys got him. I'm getting.
Go ahead. Go get the wrap.
It's coming.
Help! 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 You guys are hurting me. You're telling me to relax.
Legs together. Ankles crossed.
You guys are hurting me.
Stand by.
You guys are hurting me.
This side.
I am trying to move my legs around.
Okay. Deep breaths, bro. I need you on the other side. Yep.
I can't with my arms up like this, man.
Well, that's where they're staying.
I'm not throwing
Lift.
my arms
1, 2, 3.
I haven't done anything. You guys are assholes. I haven't done anything for. Ow! Stop pulling on my arms!
Stop moving.
You're hurting me on purpose!
Stop. Stop moving. Scott, you want the man out here?
They're hurting me on purpose! He's got 2 tips. Shannon! Shannon, they're hurting me on purpose! You want to answer? They're hurting me on purpose! They're hurting me on purpose! Shannon! The police officer put his hand in my throat
Arms
and
down.
choked me!
Relax,
The police officer
Arms
put his
down.
hand in my throat and choked me!
Relax, Michael.
You guys just attacked me and beat me up!
Relax.
You guys just attacked me and beat me up!
You haven't been beat up.
Yes, you did!
Okay, underneath.
Keith!
You got choices.
Keith!
Listen and come out. Or you can attack the way you're at.
They're hurting me on purpose!
That's the way it works. Just tight.
All right.
This doesn't happen to you.
We're gonna roll him towards
Shut
me.
the hell up! Fuck all you guys!
Roll him towards me.
Fuck you guys! You like to fucking hurt people!
We got one. We got one.
Fucking assholes!
Michael, just relax.
You guys are hurting me on purpose! Stop telling me to relax!
Right now.
You guys are being fucked up!
All
I'm not
right,
even
roll
fucking
towards
spitting
me.
on you!
Sit him up. Sit up. Michael.
Just relax, dude. Just relax.
See what you fucking did, asshole?
You did this.
No, you fucking did this! All you fucking guys. Have some respect for a human being.
We are.
Sir, have some respect for a human being. You're lucky I ain't no thug ass nigga, motherfucker.
Michael,
Nice and tight.
relax.
You know what? You know what? You know what's coming.
So weird.
You do, man.
Michael, just relax.
You fucking do. All you guys do.
All right.
You know you like to torture people, and you and your fucking buddies. All of you. Yeah, you fucking did. You fucking
relax,
put your
dude.
hand on my throat and choked me. No, this ain't cool. I'm getting out of fucking jail, and you guys are gonna get charged.
Chico 35. Log wrap.
It's all on video. All on video.
Yep.
Yeah, motherfucker. It's on video.
Okay, we'll put in the shade.
All you guys. Fuck
In a
you.
car or in the shade? Where are we going?
Shade right over.
Okay.
You guys let your fellow officers hurt people like this.
All right.
Can I pull my wrist up a little?
I need
No, I got it.
I need a CA from Dad.
Got it. I'll get you
You
one.
got it? Thank you.
Just relax, okay, Mike?
Hey, about the battery,
Please
242.
fix my fucking wrist.
Yeah, I told Dad he's signing a CA.
Hit him with some kind of plastic.
Assholes. You watch them hurt me. All of you watch them hurt me. They laid me down and put their handcuffs on me, and then they grabbed me by my throat and dragged me over here to the police car.
You want to know why? You're going to jail. That's why we put handcuffs on you.
No, you attacked me. That's not why. That has nothing to do with your fault.
As you could see in the video, around the 5-minute mark is where Officer Ruppel appears to choke suspect William Michael Raleigh II. This resulted in assault charges, and he was just acquitted this last Friday the 26th, and that's when this video was released. I'm going to put a link in the description down below so you can go directly to the source of the original video. I'm also going to put the full story down there with a link to that as well. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe, share, and like. You all take care now.